guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying something new. I am going to be trying the Bentonite Healing Clay Mask. I had a friend recommend using this mask. I have also seen some others try it out to really remove buildup and toxins from the hair, so I really wanted to give it a try. Basically what Bentonite Healing Clay is it is volcanic ash that has been aged over time. Some of the things that this mask can do is it can remove toxins and buildup without stripping the hair. It can also help with scalp issues and curl clumping. It also has many benefits to help strengthen and make the hair shinier. So I really wanted to give this a go. I'm not sure if this is going to work on my hair type or not. I've seen a little bit of some mixed information out there that this isn't great for high porosity and that it can remove moisture, but I figured I would go ahead and give it a try, and if anybody has similar hair type to me, maybe you can give it a try too and see if it works for you as well. My hair type is more medium to high porosity. I also have kind of more medium fine hair and more medium to high density. So I have quite a lot of hair, but it's more on the finer side. I am going to go ahead and show you how I mixed up my mask and the ingredients I used. After I show you how to make the mask, I am going to come back here with wet hair. They say to apply it on wet hair versus dry hair. I am not going to shampoo. I am simply just going to get my hair wet. They also say not to use any metal tools when making this mask, so please make sure to only use glass or plastic tools. They say that the metal can basically make it so that this mask doesn't work at all. So also another good tip there. So let's go ahead and get started. My hair is all wet now. I am going to go ahead and apply this probably to my roots first and then bring it through my ends. mask is on my hair, I am going to apply a plastic cap and then also my hothead thermal cap. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I will rinse, condition, and apply my styling products, and then be right back. Alright, I went ahead and rinsed out the mask. I then co-washed with Ouidad's Low Lather Coconut Cleansing Conditioner. I then followed with Innocence Hydrating Cream Conditioner. My hair did feel a little dry, so that is why I co-washed, and I used a more kind of thicker conditioner. I then rinsed out my conditioner. I kind of had let it sit just like a minute or two, and then I did use Amika's defining cream, and then AG's mousse gel. And finally, I finished off with Kinky curling custard. I then scrunched, and so now I'm going to go ahead and air dry, and then I will diffuse the rest of the way. I will be doing an updated routine pretty soon, so sorry I went ahead and left all this out. It just would have made the video way too long. So I will be back to show you my results. Okay guys, my hair is all dry. I am pretty darn impressed. I do think I probably could have maybe co-washed twice or used like a regular shampoo. It does feel like I still maybe have a little bit left in towards my scalp, but it's not that noticeable unless I really like get my hands in there and feel it. So I would say I could maybe have, you know, cleansed it out a little bit more, but I feel like my curl clumps are really, really good. I'm also very curious to see how these clumps last me over the next few days too. But yeah, overall, I think I'm pleasantly surprised. I definitely didn't think that my hair would clump as well as it has. So I definitely am assuming I had some decent amount of buildup. So I would definitely say go ahead and give it a try for yourself, see if your results are as good as mine. I definitely think this is something I would maybe utilize once a month. I probably wouldn't do it too often just because I feel like that would probably dry my hair out. I'm not really sure. I'm interested to see how next wash day goes as well. I hope you enjoyed watching me test this out. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! It's gonna be my video. What? No. Go on.